Okay, you ain't no help.
I'm helping.
Easy, he is right there. He's moving. He knows something's going on.
He knows the gig is up. The gig is up.
All right, hey, this is what I think.
I'm gonna get him right here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, God.
Yeah. He's in the car. He's in the car.
Did he go in the car? Yes. He went through the center. He coming out the dash. I'm making sure he didn't go underneath.
I think he just went to down in the engine some.
I'm gonna make sure he didn't come from underneath it. Mom, he hopped up. You got that on tape, right?
I got it on tape.
He came all the way out. He came all the way out.
He was bigger than it looked.
Hey, yeah, he's pretty big.
Hell
yeah. He was big, dude.
Just go run in the gutter.
Mom, he was like the size of Mac. He was the size of Mac.
He just go run in the gutter.
Get my mom on camera, because that look funny. Get it on camera.
He just go run in the gutter.
He went, hold on. I got a plan.
What do they like?
Tap it.
Look on the computer. See if they like noise.
Hold on. No, they don't like light. He mad right now because it's light.
Yeah, he thought he was just gonna be able, if I don't move, and we just start making too much noise.
I think he's inside the car, dude.
Think so?
Yeah.
Behind the dash?
Yeah, I think he's in the car.